Good day, this is Lady May Patac from BSHM3A, and for today's topic is about labor in Chapter 13. Learning objectives. Enumerate the classification of employees, their benefits, privileges, and policies affecting them. Identify some best practices in handling human resources in tourism establishments. Identify the procedures in handling sexual harassment in the workplace and explain the rights of workers employed in tourism establishments. So this chapter deals with important provisions governing labor laws as well as the benefit, privileges, and policies affecting the employees. The constitutional provision on labor. Section 3. The state shall afford full protection to labor, local and overseas organized and unorganized, and promote full employment and equality of employment opportunities for all. So, this provision of the Constitution emphasizes the state's responsibility to provide comprehensive protection to all workers, whether they are organized in labor unions or not, both within the country and overseas. So, it also underscores the state's commitment to promoting full employment and ensuring all ensuring equality of employment opportunities for everyone, regardless of their background or status. In essence, it highlights the government obligation to create an environment where workers are safeguarded, empowered, and given fair opportunities to ensure employment and contribute to the nation's progress. Classification of employees. So employees of a company may be classified as follows. So first we have the regular employees. So these are employees who have a permanent and continuous employment status with the company. Next we have the casual employees are hired on an irregular or intermittent basis to meet temporary workload fluctuations. Next we have the seasonal employees. So these are hard to work during specific times of the year when there is a peak in business activity, such as during holidays or tourist seasons. Next, we have the project employees. They are hired to work on specific project or assignment for a predetermined period. Next, we have the probationary employees. So these are new hires who undergo a trial period to assess their suitability for a permanent position. Next, we have the employees for a fixed term. So these employees are hired for specified periods, often to fill in for regular employees on leave or to complete a specific task within a set. Next, we have the overseas Filipino workers. So these are Filipino citizens employed abroad under contracts for work or services. Next, we have the special workers. First, we have the apprentice. So these are the individuals who undergo training and hands-on experiences to acquire specific skills. Next, we have the learners, employees who are being trained for new tasks or role within the company. And lastly, we have the handicapped workers, so individuals with disabilities who are employed by the company and may require accommodation or special consideration in the workplace. Next, we have the Labor Management Council. So, the Labor Management Council, as mandated by Article 255 of the Labor Code, allows both unionized and non-unionized employees to address grievances directly to their employers. So it serves as a platform for communication between management and employees, promoting dialogue and dispute resolution outside of collective bargaining. So to ensure fairness, employees representatives in the LMC must be elected by the employees rather than appointed by management, ultimately aiming to maintain industrial peace and potentially making labor unions unnecessary. Next, we have the law against discrimination. So, Article 3, Declaration of Basic Policy. So, the state shall afford protection to labor, promote full employment, ensure equal work opportunities regardless of sex, race, or creed, and regulate the relations between workers and employers. So, laws against discrimination is in the workplace reflect the government's commitment to promoting equality, protecting the rights of workers, and fostering a fair and inclusive working environment. And that ends my discussion. This is Lady May Patac saying thank you and have a good day.